Have you ever wondered if there was a way to make money from watching YouTube videos? Well, now there is. This website is a game changer for anyone looking to make some extra cash in their free time. It's easy, fun, and most importantly, it's completely legit. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about a website that can help you make $100 a day just by watching YouTube videos. Yes, you heard that right. You can make money while watching your favorite videos on YouTube. So, without any further ado, let's get started. But before we dive into the details, I have a quick favor to ask. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. By subscribing, you'll be joining a community of like-minded individuals who are interested in learning more about ways to make money online. Plus, you'll get access to exclusive content and updates that I don't share anywhere else. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Before we jump into the exciting world of making money from YouTube videos, you'll need to have a YouTube account. If you don't already have one, don't worry, it's super easy to create a free account in just a few steps. As we continue with this video, I'll guide you on how to make the most out of this platform, giving you the best chance to succeed and earn a substantial amount of money. The best part? You don't have to spend a penny. It's completely free to use. Make sure to watch until the end of the video, as I'll be taking you through step by step, so you can follow along with me. Trust me, this is an opportunity you don't want to miss out on. As first step, head over to youtube.com and you need to have YouTube account. If you don't have YouTube account once you're there, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page where you can create your account. Now, choose the Create Account option and get ready to fill in your details. Enter your first and last names as well as your email address and password, and make sure to choose a password that's both strong and easy to remember. Once you're done, hit the Next button, and you're all set. Let's take a look at picoworkers.com, an online marketplace that connects employers and freelancers from all over the world to do simple, affordable jobs. This is a website where we can earn money. picoworkers.com provides many opportunities to make money online. When you go to the website, you will be directed to a page that shows how much money users are earning each day and every hour while using the website. You can also see a list of the latest completed jobs, along with the workers' usernames and total compensation. As you can see, there are people from many different countries, such as India, the Philippines, Pakistan, Nigeria, and Bangladesh. picoworkers.com truly has people from all over the world. Check it out. You can see how much cash people are raking in on picoworkers.com. Some folks are making hundreds, even thousands of dollars. Plus, they offer a variety of payment methods so you can get your dough however you like. But let's be real, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Don't expect it to replace your day job or make you a millionaire overnight. However, it's a great way to make some extra cash on the side and supplement your current income. Give it a shot and see how much you can earn. One important thing to know is how to withdraw your earnings. Some people jump straight into websites that pay them for completing tasks before figuring out how to withdraw their money. But don't worry, I've got your back. The great thing about using picoworkers.com is that you have several payment options to choose from, including PayPal, Litecoin, ATM, Skrill, and more. So once you've earned some cash, you can easily cash out and get your money in the way that works best for you. To get started with earning money on picoworkers.com, click on the Sign Up button located on the website. You will be taken to a new page where you need to enter your real name, email address, password, nickname, and country. Choose the country you are from to be accepted. Select I'm a worker to indicate that you want to work as a freelancer on the platform. Check the boxes to accept their terms of service and privacy policy. Click on the Sign Up button to complete the process and start earning money online. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you can start browsing through available jobs and earning money. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the process so you can get started with easy. After creating an account successfully, your whole new account will seem like this. Here, a variety of jobs are available for you to apply for. Earnings will vary depending on your work, and you can view your prospective earnings on the right-hand side. Then click on Micro Jobs and navigate to the Find Job on picoworkers.com. Here, you'll find a variety of jobs available to you right now. These tasks will pay you for viewing videos and subscribing to channels. Imagine being able to watch YouTube videos from your couch and get paid for it. This is something you can do whenever and wherever you choose. And the process couldn't be easier. Simply click on any of the open positions and start earning money today. When you click on Job, you'll need to activate two-factor authentication. Thereafter, provide some personal information. 'Cause we are new for this website. About yourself, including your date of birth, city, a security question, and that question's answer. Then complete the job. Thereafter, website will pay you for your job. While it may not be common to find employment that involves solely watching YouTube videos, if you desire optimal outcomes and earnings on Pico Workers, you can also undertake other tasks or assignments. Additionally, these tasks are typically easy to complete. Like following on Facebook. They pay $2 for that, and if you go down you can see there are lots of micro jobs. This website called Pico Workers is a place where you can earn money by doing simple tasks. To start, all you have to do is click a button or visit a website through a link. Even though you won't make a lot of money, it's still worth it because the work is easy. If you want to start a business online, you can use the money you make from Pico Workers to invest in something that will grow in value over time. Pico Workers also offers other jobs that only require an email, first and last name, and signing up for different websites. You can do as many tasks as you want, and the more you do, the more money you can make. So if you have a few hours to spare, you can complete hundreds of these tasks and earn money quickly. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this information about Pico Workers helpful. Remember, while the work may not be glamorous, it's an easy way to make some extra money on the side. And who knows, you might even discover a passion for online entrepreneurship and turn your Pico Workers earnings into a successful business. So why not give it a try and see how much you can earn? Many of them just watching, they even give a try, so try this method. I can guarantee you can make some extra money, and if you have any questions or suggestions for my next video, comments in the comment section. Please feel free to share my videos on your social media platforms. It will help to see large audience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.